right, we got a couple deer back straps here we just processed, and we're going to cook these dudes up. Now, I've cut this in half, okay? And the way you want to cut this for frying, and the way we're going to do it is you want to cut against the grain. So if the grain's running this direction, we want to cut the opposite of that in kind of thin strips, just like this. Okay? Almost like you're making fajita strips. To that, we're going to add a little shake of Danos. About that much. And then we're going to kind of whisk that up a little bit. You can mix this with a fork. I happen to be at the outfitter's camp here, so I can do it with a whisk. In camp, you could do it with a fork, easy enough. And we just want to mix that together really good because we're not going to, again, use any egg on this at all. And just work that thing around in there with your hands. Don't worry about making a mess. That's part of the fun. All right? And that's what we want right there. Stuff that looks just like that. Bread it up really good. Every piece breaded up good. All right, there we go. Now we're ready. All right, simple as 1/8-inch skillet, 1/2 stick of butter, heaping teaspoon of garlic, minced up garlic. We're good. All right, we're gonna let that start to melt, heat up before we open up the grill. Let everything die down good, but we're gonna take advantage of the heat we got now and start heating things up and getting it melted and ready to go. So that when we do open it up and we're ready to start cooking, we're close. All right, we're about ready to start cooking now. All we gotta do is let it heat back up. We'll be ready to go. All right, there we go. Get one in there and test her out. Looking good. Looking good. Look at that, man, oh man. Getting close, getting close. Reckon old Zon's sitting here thinking he needs a bite of this too. Here we go. Oh man, that thing just come right off there. Golly. Oh man. Zon. Golly. That is freaking delicious. Zon, I know you want some of this, babe. Let me find a little one here. Here. All right, under the table, waiting for food. This guy. You know, I like Worcestershire sauce on this stuff too, but man, it just tastes so good the way it is. I hate to put anything on it. Another little piece for you, Zon. Look at that dude. Powerhouse hungry, that guy. All right, guys, I got to tell you, you know, this backstrap is fantastic. I mean, really awesome. Zon can't get enough of it either. Oh, man. Zon, get down off the tripod, boy. Here. Get out of here. Man. He loves it. I love it. No doubt about it. It's amazing. Well, listen, guys, I appreciate you joining me here today for this quick video on how to cook venison backstraps in camp. We cook them down here at the Outfitters camp, but you cook them the same way over the fire. We actually used a fire in a Sportsman stove to cook these with. Zon's still after some more. So I appreciate your views and I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, for our business, for all of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends. I'll be back with another video as soon as I can, guys. Thanks.